So today, in second grade, we are going to be doing fractions, which is an equal part or equal size piece of a whole. And when the two strategies we're going to use with today's fractions is going to be an area model for the first word problem, which is showing a whole and breaking it up into parts and distinguishing which part of the whole we will use. For example, we have a whole part, the whole being 4 pieces, and I underlined 1, showing me that I demonstrated 1/4. Our next model, we're going to use our set models, which are basically like counters. So I will have about 6 counters, and if I want to shade in 3 of those 6 counters, it will show me that out of the whole of 6, I shaded in 3, giving me 3/6, or the equivalent fraction of 1/2, which represents the same part or amount of the whole. Okay, so second grade math, we are going to do a lesson on fractions. A fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number, so part over whole. Our word problem today is, Lupita has a tortilla and her 3 friends would like a piece. What fraction of the tortilla will each girl get? So looking back on our word problem, we have to know that it's Lupita and her 3 friends would like to share 1 tortilla. So what fraction of the tortilla will each girl get? So how many times are we going to break the tortilla so each girl gets a fair share?
4 times.
4. So we need a whole. The whole is going to be the number 4. So how many pieces will each girl get? 1. Okay. So figuring out, using an area model, we're going to figure out how many parts we need to break this tortilla. Showing the tortilla, how will I break this up into 4 pieces?
Half and then...
In a half, so okay, I'm going to break the tortilla in half.
And then half again.
And then fold it again in half. Good job. Okay, so now let me set this aside. Bring out my plate. Okay, so let's count it out.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, good. So each girl is going to get how many of these 4 pieces?
1.
1/4.
Oh wait.
Okay, thank you. So showing that each girl got 1/4 of a whole tortilla broken up into 4 parts, Lupita's friend got 1 piece of the tortilla. Lupita's other friend got a piece of the whole tortilla. Lupita's other friend got a piece of the tortilla. And Lupita got the last 1/4 of the tortilla, showing that the tortilla was broken up into 4 equal parts. So figuring out that since each girl gets 1/4, we have Lupita that has 1/4, and we have another 1/4 for a girl, 1 more 1/4, and 1 more 1/4, equaling a whole tortilla. All right, so I have another second grade question for you, dealing with fractions. At school, Lupita has 12 M&Ms at lunch that her mother packed. Her 3 friends sit with Lupita and ask for some M&Ms. How much should Lupita share with each friend so they get a fair amount? So, how many people are sharing the 12 M&Ms?
4.
4. So each friend, so we have 4 girls that are sharing 12 M&Ms. So we have 12 M&Ms. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, so how many friends are we gonna share this with?
3.
3. Okay, but whose M&Ms are these?
Lupita.
So how many girls are each gonna get a fair amount?
4.
4. So we'll put Lupita. We'll put friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. Okay? So now let's find out how many each girl is going to get. Okay? So let me just group these girls together. Or separate, put them in their own little group so that way we keep track of how many M&Ms they each get. Okay? Okay, so we'll give 1 to Lupita, 1 to her first friend, second friend, and friend 3. Lupita, friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. Another one to Lupita, friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. Okay, so let's count them. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3 for Lupita, 1, 2, 3 for friend 1, 1, 2, 3 for friend 2, and 1, 2, 3 for friend 3. So that totals to 12. So we have 4 groups and of 3 each. So each girl